Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS Pte Target 9. Today we are going to talk about IELTS speaking test. In this video, I will give you a detailed description of IELTS speaking task and also give some tips about it. Speaking test is a face-to-face interview between the examiner and a student. This test is to examine speaking ability of a test taker, and every part of the speaking test is recorded so that it can be used for the remarking purposes. This test lasts from 11 to 14 minutes. So have a look on a part 1 of a speaking test, that is introduction and interview. In this part, test taker and examiner introduces themselves. Examiner asks general questions on the topics related to personal interest, work, studies, games, and so on. The examiner asks a question such as, do you enjoy traveling? The student have to give an answer, does he like traveling or not? If yes, then he have to explain why does he like traveling. Let's move on to part 2. In this part, a Keuka topic is given to a student, and 1 minute is provided to a student to prepare for this Keuka topic. A pencil and a pen is also provided so that student can note down the main points in 1 minute. You can see an example in front of you. A cue card is given and a student have to note down the main points of this cue card in 1 minute and speak this cue card for 1 or 2 minutes. In this example, you have to describe about a shop near to your house or apartment. The correct way to attempt this topic is start with the introduction. You can tell about there are many shops near our house, but the shop where I visited most is named as XYZ. You can also mention the main features of the shop, that what types of products are sold there and how the shop looks like, where it is located. Remember, the main question is given under the 3 questions and it is explained why you use this shop most. You can say that the material provided at this shop is of a good quality, and you can explain the other main features that you liked most. Our next part of the PT speaking test is follow-ups. In this part, the examiner asks the student a question on the basis of a cue card. In this part, a student gets a chance to express his views in a more abstract way, means a student have to give an answer in the 3 or 4 lines so that he can highlight a main features of a Keuka topic. The most commonly asked question by the student is how to increase the speaking skill. I have one method for increasing the speaking skill, that the student should stand in front of the mirror and start the recording so that he can examine his own ability of IELTS speaking, and he have to speak the cue card or a topic related to his hometown or studies, games, work, and so on. Please do not try to memorize the Keuka topics, as it will not help you to become a native English speaker. You may also fumble while remembering the old cue cards. So friends, this is all about the IELTS speaking test. See you in the next video.